Hi, hello guys, how are you? In this video, you can enjoy the playing of African grey bird. He is of only 2 months age. African greys are very vocal birds and can learn to talk quite well. They require a lot of attention and can be demanding. So, this is not the right pet for everyone. You cannot keep them inside the cage all the time. It is critical to keep them out of the cage for minimum 4 to 5 hours. African grey requires various toys in order to remain entertained and busy. They can get bored by playing with the same toys. So we have to play them with different toys. These birds can live for up to 60 to 80 years. So you want to be sure you are making a lifelong commitment. They also intelligent animal that need plenty of stimulation and interaction. So be prepared to provide your bird with plenty of toys and activities. When they are kept alone, they get sad or bored. In that situation, they may start to pluck their feathers. So, in order to avoid these situations, keep them entertained and spend a lot of time with them. They are also one of the smartest bird species, capable of learning up to more than 1000 words. Along with words, they can mimic various sounds and phrases, or some have seen them trying to sing the song. They are even capable of understanding the meaning associated. They are extremely social and playful by nature. They always want to something in order to remain busy and entertained. They are sensitive and can get sad when they don't pay attention and are left alone for a longer time. This parrot is raised and fed by a human. He knows how to interact with humans and can form a strong bond with its owner. Thank you.